So hello friends, welcome to my channel, the Main Coaching Center. So today I'm going to explain you that is the 11th, that is the 8th standard maths, third chapter, that is the quadratic, that is understanding quadrilateral. So find x in the following figure. So here they have given one triangle. So here, so in first figure they have given that. So we know that the sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So therefore 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360. So therefore x is 250 plus x, so therefore it is equal to 360. So therefore x is equal to 110. Again 60 plus 90 plus 70 is plus x is equal to plus x plus 90 is equal to 360. So therefore x is equal to 50 degrees is the answer. So let us find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon of 9 sides, 15 sides. So again the sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon are 360 degrees. So therefore 360 into 9 sides, if we divide, we will get 40 degree. So therefore the 9 sides has the 40 degree angle and the 15 sides has 24 degree. Next, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an interior angle is 24? So 360, again exterior angle of the given polygon is 360. So 360 by 24 degrees, so therefore it will be 15. So therefore the number of sides of the regular polygon will be 15. Next, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? So 180 minus, so each exterior is 180, so 180 minus 165, so therefore 15. So total angle of the polygon is 360 exterior angle, so 360 by 15. So therefore the number of sides of the polygon will be 24. Next, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior as 22? So 360 is not a perfect multiple of 22. So hence such polygon is not possible. It is not possible because 360 will not become the multiples of 22. And interior angle is equal to 22. So therefore exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 22, 158. So therefore such a polygon is not possible as 360 degree is not perfectly multiple of 158, we will not get. So therefore it is not correct. Next, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So for a regular polygon, the minimum interior angle possible is 360 by 3. So each equilateral triangle is so 3. Triangle means 3 sides, so therefore 360 by 3. So therefore exterior angle will be 120 and 180 minus 120 the interior, so therefore it will be 60 degree. Next, so here they have given a parallelogram AB. So AD is equal to BC because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are of equal length, you have learnt in parallelogram. And angle DCB is equal to angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. So in parallelogram opposite angles are equal in measure. Next, OC. So OC is equal to OA because in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So OA will bisect OC. Like that only, M angle DAB is equal plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degrees. So in parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. So here let us consider the following parallelograms. Let us find the value of unknown x, y and z. So first question, so x plus 100. So in first parallel x plus 100 is equal to 180. So first is it is 100. Let us take x plus 100 is equal to 180. Let's take, so therefore x is equal to 80 and y is equal to 100. So therefore opposite angles are equal. So therefore y is equal to 100. Next, 50 degree plus y is equal to 180. So 50 is plus, so y is equal to 130. Opposite angle are equal and z is equal to x is equal to 130, that is corresponding angles. Next, x is equal to 90, so therefore x plus y is equal to 30. So therefore 120 plus y is equal to 180. So therefore y is equal to 60. and 80. So y is equal to 80, x plus y is equal to 180. So therefore 180 minus 80, so therefore it will be 100 degree, and y is equal to 112. Opposite angle are equal, so therefore x plus y is equal to 40 is equal to 180. So therefore x plus 112 plus 40 is next in that next sum they have given that angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. In that ABCD may or may not be a parallelogram. Along with this condition, the following condition should be also fulfilled. So the sum of the measures of adjacent angles should be 180. Opposite angle should also be the same measure it should be. So AB is equal to DC, DC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So no, therefore opposite side, that is AD and BC are of different lengths, so it will be not equal. Next, angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 65 degree. So angle opposite angle should be same measure. So but here they are different, so it is not equal. Next, let us draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So here you can see a quadrilateral in which the ABCD is not a parallelogram, as the measures of the remaining pair of opposite angle A and angle C are not equal. Next, the measure of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Let us find the measure of each of the angle of the parallelogram. So let us take the measures of two adjacent angle A and angle B of parallelogram ABCD are in the ratio of 3:2. Let angle A is equal to is equal to 36 degree. So therefore angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 3x equal to 180 degree, and angle B and angle D is equal to 2x is equal to 72 degrees. So opposite angles. So therefore the measures of the angle of the parallelogram are 108 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree again, and 72 degree. So these both, as you know, sides will be equal. Next, two adjacent angles of the parallelogram have equal measure. Let us find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So therefore two angle A is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle A is equal to 90 degree. So therefore angle C and angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree, as opposite sides will be equal. Next, if the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram, let us find the angle x, y and z, and let us see the properties you use to find them. So y is equal to 40 degree, alternative interior angles. So therefore 70 degree is equal to z plus 40 degree. So therefore 70 minus 40, so z is equal to 30 degree. So x plus z into z plus 40 degree, so it will be 180 degree. So therefore x is plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree, as z is 30. So 30 plus 40, 70 degree. So 70 degree is equal to, so x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x is equal to 180 minus 70. So therefore x will be 110 degree. Next here they have given so the following figure runs are each other. So therefore g is equal to x. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. So therefore 3y is equal to 27. Next, y is equal to 9. So therefore sc is equal to nu, and 3x is equal to 18. So therefore x is equal to 6. Next question, y plus 7 is equal to 20. So y is equal to 13. So x plus y is equal to 16. So therefore x plus 13 is equal to 16. So therefore x is equal to 3. So therefore the measures of x is 3 and the measure of y is 13. Next, so here they have given the risk and clue or parallelogram, and let us find the value of x. So adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. So therefore we in parallelogram risk RKS plus ISK is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore 120 degree plus ISK is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle ISK is equal to 60 degree. So therefore clue in that clue angle UACLC is equal to angle CEU. So therefore it will be 70 degrees. So therefore x plus 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x is equal to 50 degree. Let us know how the figure is a trapezium and why which of its two sides are parallel. So if the transversal line is intersecting two given lines such that the sum of the measures of the angle on the same side is transversal to 180 degrees. So therefore NML plus MLK is equal to 180 degrees. So hence NM is parallel to LK. Hence therefore it is a trapezium. So let us see M angle C in the following figure is AP is parallel to DC. So angle angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So 120 plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So C is equal to 60. 30 is equal to 180. So angle P is equal to 50 degree. Like that only angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. So angle R is 90 plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle S is equal to 90 degrees. Next, let us see the statement whether it is true or false. All rectangles are square. So it is false. The all squares are rectangles, but all rectangles are not square because rectangle will be different shape. Next, all rhombus are parallelogram. It is true. Opposite sides of the rhombus will be equal to each other and parallel to each other. And next, all squares are rhombus and also rectangle. So it is also true. All squares will be in the shape of rhombus as the sides of the square are of equal length. And all squares are also rectangle as each internal angle is 90 degree. Next, all squares are not parallelogram. So yes, so it is false because all squares are parallelogram as opposite sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel. Next, all kites are rhombus. So false. A kite does not have all sides of the same length. So it is no. It cannot be a rhombus. And all parallelogram are trapezium. So it is true. A rhombus also has two distinct consequences of side pairs. So all rhombus have the pair of parallel sides. Next, all squares are trapezium. So it is also true. All squares have pair of parallel sides. Next, let us identify the quadrilateral that have four sides of the equal length. So rhombus and square and four right angles. So that is square and rectangle. Next, uh, explain how a square is a quadrilateral. So a square is a quadrilateral since it has four sides, and a square is a parallelogram as it since opposite sides are parallel to each other. So it can be a parallel. A square is a rhombus as it has four sides are in the same length, and a rectangle. So a square is a rectangle since each interior angle measures 90 degree. Next, bisector. So the diagonals of the parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle bisects them each other and are perpendicular bisector of each other. So diagonals of the rhombus and square are perpendicular bisector. They bisect the rhombus perpendicularly, and the diagonals of the rectangle and squares are equal. So let us explain why rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. So in a rectangle there are two diagonals, both lying in the interior of the rectangle. Hence it is a convex quadrilateral. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to right angle. Let us explain why O is a equidistance from A and B. So let us draw a line AD and DC such that AD will be parallel to BC and AB will be parallel to DC. So therefore AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. So therefore it will be 90 degrees. So therefore AO is equal to OC and OC is equal to BO and BO is equal to OD. So therefore O is an equidistance from A, B and C. So okay friends, this was your chapter the understanding quadrilateral. So like the video, comment on video and subscribe to the channel and coaching center for more video. I will see you in the next video explaining another chapter of your 8th standard maths. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and my dear friends.